Hello, I'm Jamie from Shamrock World, and today I'm going to show you how you can grow soursops from seed. Soursops are large, green, prickly-looking fruit with white, sweet and sour flesh and black seeds. They're primarily grown in warm tropical countries such as Central and South Americas, the Caribbean islands, and in Florida in the United States. They're primarily grown in hardiness zones 10 through 12. So today, I'll show you how easy it is to grow this tropical fruit from seed. First, you can collect seeds from the fresh fruit. Make sure to select seeds from soft, ripe fruit. Whether you get the fruit directly from a tree or from a grocery store, make sure that it's ripe. This will ensure that the seeds are viable. You can accelerate the ripening process by putting the soursop in a paper bag with an apple or a banana. Also, refrigerating the whole fruit doesn't harm the seeds. They may take a little longer to germinate. You can tear or cut the fruit in half and scoop out the seeds. You will get a lot of blackish brown seeds from an individual fruit. Make sure to rinse off and clean the seeds of the seed membrane. You must remove any flesh and sugars from the surface or the pointed ends of the seeds. Do not select or sow seeds that are misshapen or continue to float after being soaked for a while. If you have dried seeds, soak them in water for a few days until they sink to the bottom. Dried seeds may lose some viability and it may take them a little longer to germinate, but they can still grow. Now you can sow the seeds. Choose well-draining soil such as peat moss, seed starter mix, or potting soil. Also, choose a medium-depth container for the seeds to grow in. Sow the seeds 1 inch below the soil with the pointed end of the seed planted down. There's no preference for sowing the seeds, but the root will come out of the pointed end first. The seeds may sprout sooner with the pointed end planted down. You can also plant the seeds lengthwise on its side. Water the soil and make sure that it drains. Put the container in a warm location, but not in direct sunlight. You can also put the container in a plastic bag to trap in the moisture. Now you can wait for growth. It may take 4 to 8 weeks or more for the seeds to sprout from the soil. During that time, keep the soil watered and in a warm location. As the seeds sprout from the soil, slowly introduce them to sunlight. The seedlings will come out of the soil as brown shoots with small green leaves. The shell of the seeds may encase some of the seedlings. If you cover the container with a plastic bag, make sure to remove it at this point. Now you can care for the soursop seedlings. Soursop seedlings love full sun, but not intense sun. The seedlings will have dark green, round, opposing leaves. They will also have a glossy sheen. As the seedlings get taller, transplant them into deeper containers, especially if you planted multiple seeds in one container. You can also lightly fertilize the seedlings every 3 months. Protect your seedlings from cold weather and freezes. As a tropical tree, it will thrive best in warm environments. I found the soursop seedlings to be more freeze sensitive than their relative, the cherimoyas. As the soursop seedling grows and gets larger, it may develop a slight freeze tolerance. But it's best to keep the seedlings and trees from getting chilled at any age. As you can see, it's easy to grow soursops from seeds. It may take several years for the tree to bear fruit if the tree is grown in warm and ideal conditions. In the meantime, you will have a nice evergreen tree that you can make tea from the green, dried leaves. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about soursop fruit and when and where to get it, check out my video, What is Soursop? And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for more videos about exotic fruits, growing exotic fruits, gardening, outdoor crafts, and more. Thank you.